Hey there, JustPlanePyro here, and welcome to Fireworks Demo Showcase, where I demo a handful of fireworks in my stash and beyond. And today introduces the new format for my newly revived Fireworks Demo Showcase videos, where I show you the label and effect of a particular item, then I'll show you a clip of that item, and then I cut back to footage of my room showing you another new item, and then showing the effect of the clips. So today we are going to be doing canister shells, and these are a treat because I have not seen a single demo of these so far this year. These are brand new canister shells from Cookie brand, as I like to call it. You get 24 shells in a pack, 12 different effects. I got 6 of them here in a sleeve right here on display. And here's the launch tube to kind of give you a little rough idea what the tube looks like. I covered up some of the important, I like to call it, revealing information on it. So yep, there's what the tube looks like. Pretty cool. And yes, you get 24 shells in a kit. These are pretty substantial weight, so I can tell these are going to be pretty kicking. See, it's got the classic cardboard top on it here. Yeah, hear that? These things are loaded. So you got 6 of them here, and we're going to start with number 1 here. You got lemon blue silver chrysanthemum. Okay, now we go on to number 2. Green purple with gold glittering. Okay, number 3. Red with white glittering. Number 4. Peach red lemon with red plum. Number 5, red coconut green glittering. Number 5. Nice shells. And last, and certainly but not least, we got number 6, gold titanium willow with blue stars. And for an added bonus, I'm also going to toss in one of these black canister shells here. These are also new for 2021. They got a pretty cool demon label on it. They're also 5 inches. They're not labeled for effect, but as far as I can tell, these shells are supposedly all one effect. As I like to call it, the powder donut effect. So there you go. We got 3 of these to demo afterward. Ready when you are. All right, these are the black shells. 3 of them. Do number 1. Oh, number 2. Number 3. Those things hit. And I hope you enjoyed the video of these 6 new shells going off, and we'll see you in the next video.